it looks like episode 2 of Isencane Lengane is going to be fire. Siyacela Nthando's father threw punches again, and it looks real this time. So let us talk about that more here on this video. But before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like the video, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. So ladies and gentlemen, season 7 of Isencane Lengane premiered on Sunday the 2nd of February 2025, and I am so excited to see what the Dlamukas and the Tabetes bring us this season. Yes, I know that people will call me toxic for loving the show, but hey, guilty as charged. So teasers of the second episode are out. You know the teasers, Siyacela meets with Thando's father. There's also Siyacela's uncle in that meeting, and I think he's there as a mediator. So while the meeting is ongoing, and I think we all expected this one, Siyacela and Thabete exchange words. Siyacela tells the guy that he felt raising his own daughter and that uyinja. He even said futek. So Thando's father got pissed, he stood up, threw stuff at Siyacela, and that is how the fight started. Now, what gives me about this whole scene is this part, Siyacela's uncle. So this is what he had to say about the fight. My God. Ah man, so ladies and gentlemen, nothing is clear because everything is showing up in split seconds, so we don't really know if the fight was staged or not. You guys will remember that the two had a similar fight before, but it was not really convincing. I personally think that was staged, but this one really looks different. It looks real. I mean, the punches are thrown for real, and as much as we can't see the blood and all, but to me, the fight doesn't look staged. So I am excited to watch the second episode, and as I've mentioned, you guys are gonna have to forgive me for being that toxic. And with all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. I guess we're gonna have to meet on the second episode of the show. So do comment in the comment section while waiting, share your thoughts and opinions about this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.